Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to the channel. So tonight I have one fall DIY for you using items from Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, and Walmart. So guys, this is super easy, budget friendly, and fun. Let's go. So as you can see, I have a wood round from the Dollar Tree. I have some khaki paint by Apple Barrel that I've applied to my wood round. And then I'm taking this Jot clear glue that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I'm applying my top coat, which you don't have to use different colors paints. I just chose to for my project. And I'm applying a full coat of this Waverly brand chalk paint on top of the wet glue. By doing this combination will cause the crackle effects once you add the heat, and that's what I'm doing with this heating tool. So guys, I want to welcome everybody back to the channel, my new and returning subscribers. Please make sure you click on that red subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to the channel. So now you see that I'm applying some Mod Podge to the top of this family word, and I will be using the iron method, and I will be taking my napkin and putting it on top with some parchment paper, adding some heat to reactivate the Mod Podge, and then I will be basically sanding off the excess napkin using an emery board, and then any excess napkin I use the lighter, couldn't think, to clean up the edges. And as you can see, I'm just going through inside the lettering to make sure I clean that up really good. I'm adding some of that burnt umber paint around the exposed wood at the top and bottoms and inside of the letters. And then I have this tumbling tower block because we're going to actually raise this wooden leaf that I also picked up from the Dollar Tree, because it's going to act as an embellishment to the fall sign, if you haven't guessed what we're making tonight. I am going to apply this to both sides of the leaf, this burnt umber paint. Guys, I will be putting out fall content for a minute here, so I hope you are ready for fall. I'm adding some wood glue as well as some hot glue for permanent and immediate hold. And as you can see, I'm placing my wood leaf at the top, and the tumbling tower block have been glued down to give this a raised appearance. And I will be adding a raffia bow to the center of this leaf. Again, guys, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you go ahead and do so. You won't be disappointed. Of course, Joy loves jute, and Joy has re-added the jute hanger to the project. And guys, we're now at the reveal. This project was quick, it was easy, and it turned out super cute. I paired it here in this vignette with some candles that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and this project cost me all but $2 to make. You guys got to tell me what you think about it, and here's how it would look styled in your home. I think it's really cute, and it gives you the rich fall vibes that most people are looking for. Guys, thank you for watching this video to the end. Please make sure you click the subscribe button, and until the next DIY, bye for now.